Morning. Are we all good? Right. Let's wait for the other choppers to tune in. We are starting now. Hope everyone is well. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. In fact, I shouldn't be saying that because last time I think we met was on Sunday evening. All right, can we mark the register just before we start? We've got Mohau in the house, Nontanda is in the house, KG Trade Wave is also in the house, Tidiso is in the house, Andy Jackson is in the house, and we've got Caleb Nkuna also in the house this morning. Can we analyze the charts, please? Let's start with our work. We're starting obviously with the euro dollar. All right, just before we do much, can we like the stream? Let's ensure that we like the stream. Ensure that we like the stream for the next 4 seconds. Let's just ensure that we like the stream. I was just reading something just before the stream. Man, I think Trump is going to head the economy of the United States. It's just a matter of time. I think it's just a matter of time. This gentleman is going to head that economy so much. But yeah, it's good for us traders. We want to capitalize on the drama. We've got Tapel also in the house. Descend the difference. I like the name. Descend the difference. We should have a strategy called descend the difference strategy. We hit TP. If you cannot descend it, you won't see the difference. Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? Yeah. Happy Tuesday to everybody. If you were to ask me, am I having a good week? Yeah. If you are in our private group, then you would know that the president is having a good week. We smashed 2 TPs yesterday. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. I'll share that with you just shortly. Beautiful stuff, right? I'll share that with you quickly. Yeah, I am having a beautiful week. I'm ready when you're ready. I'm definitely ready when you're ready. Let's do this, guys. It's a new week, new opportunities, and let's ensure that we smash some of these TPs this week. Right. So yeah, let's see what happened yesterday. So yeah, man, yesterday we had a very beautiful, productive, profitable day, by the way. So someone was telling us about Bitcoin, right? And you know, choppers are very analytical. I think someone wanted us to buy Bitcoin yesterday. Yeah, but as you can see, we had a bit of discussion in regards to that yesterday. So at 11:14, I sent this on the group yesterday. NAS 100. I just put this to show that this is where I'm interested to buy at 20,897. This is where I had my interest yesterday on NAS 100, right? And after how many minutes? Let's see. At 11:18, I was already in on this trade. So yeah, we took this trade at 20,893, 897, somewhere there, right? Yeah, and we had it played out nicely, man. Beautiful, beautiful setup. The rejection candle, ladies and gentlemen, I always tell you guys about the rejection candle. There it is, there, the rejection candle. So took the buy there on NAS 100, right? Risk reward 1:2. And at what time? I want to see the time here. At 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, we were just few pips to our TP at 20,973. Beautiful, beautiful setup there on NASDAQ. So we smashed TP yesterday on it. Yesterday, and by the way, this is an analysis we had on Sunday. If you attended the Sunday evening class, we spoke about trying to buy at a discount at 22,450 or so. We go to the upside. Like I said to you, ladies and gentlemen, on Sunday, I'll be looking at buying NASDAQ. I'll be looking at buying German 40, of which NASDAQ we were done, hit TP on that with our buy. And at 2:30, I sent this on the group. I wanted to buy WTI again. If you'd remember, if you attended the Sunday evening session, you would remember I said I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities. $69.70 a barrel. This is where I looked to buy WTI, right? So I said to the group, I'm risking some of the profits made from NASDAQ trade, and there you go. Within a few minutes, I mean, one candlestick just went straight to TP. That's one thing about WTI, guys. Like I always say to you, if you had a rough year, right, look into backtesting German 40 and WTI. I'm telling you, man, this thing, I don't know, but there's just something about these two, right? There is just something about these two. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. And we also had an interview with Business Tech Africa. Check it out. Go on their website. It's businesstechafrica.co.za. We had a beautiful interview yesterday, and as well as 8 o'clock in the evening, we also had another radio interview with UFM. Right, so yeah, that's what happened yesterday. If you were to ask me, Mr. President, yeah, we see you guys smash your TPs yesterday. What is the plan for today? Right, so let's do a recap of what we spoke about on Sunday, right? And for those of you that didn't attend the Sunday evening class, I would encourage you to go on the channel after this session. Go and check it out. We never delete our videos, right? They're always there. Our live streaming, they're always there. So if you were to ask me, Mr. President, what are we doing this morning? How are we going to tackle this? I would say since we look for buying opportunities at this point, we never caught it, but yesterday we caught the buy here on 15 minutes. This is what I just showed you, smashed our TP. Now went below this key level at $69.54 a barrel. Now I would say if I'm gonna look for buying opportunities on WTI, I have to wait for it to break above. So mark this price for me, please. $68.35. Let me also mark it here. $68.50, 55 cents or so. We're going to be looking for buying opportunities. As long as we are below this level, I cannot look for selling opportunities because for me, this is oversold. So I cannot go to the downside with it. I'm only looking for buying opportunities. However, even though I'm looking for buying opportunities, I have to wait for market to give me something I can bite on, right? So I'm going to wait for this rejection around this area here, then I go to the upside. So that's WTI. We are bullish today. Let's go to euro dollar. So euro dollar and British pound on Sunday, we got it completely wrong. Out. Our analysis was out on these two. I think those are the two analysis we got wrong, right? Out by a serious margin. So this is what we planned to do. So on Sunday, we did say that we're gonna wait for a fib around this area here, right? So we got it completely wrong, and it happens, guys. And that's what this community is all about, transparency. We are not always right? Sometimes we get our analysis wrong. But what's nice is that we didn't jump on the trade because we wait for certain candlesticks to print before we can jump in, right? So we thought at this area here, at 786 fib retracement, we're going to drop and make a new low around $1.03, right? Euro dollar now is currently trading at $1.04. Today, I'm bullish on this thing. I'm looking for ways in which I can jump on the ship going to the upside. So as you see, it gapped up and decided to go to the upside. In fact, yesterday, I don't know what was happening, man, but euro dollar was up by 1% or so. So the dollar was completely hammered yesterday. Completely hammered yesterday. So how can we do a reevaluation on this? Right, we see that we break above this resistance level at $1.454. What are we then going to do today? My take on this would be on 15 minutes time frame. I need to see if we are above our POC level. So POC is at this level. The market is about to open in the next few minutes, right? My take on this is what we can experience today. Then we can have this market overall to the upside. Why am I saying that? I think a lot of people want to jump in early in the morning, and I think that's where they're going to get trapped. I think there's a lot of stops around this level here. So I think they're going to be stopped first before we go to the upside. Then we can take our fib from this low to that high there. There's our beautiful 786. Then we go to the upside. That's my take on euro dollar. So if you were to ask me, President, what are you doing today on euro dollar? I'm bullish. But I have to wait for these stop losses to be taken out first before I can commit. British pound USD, same as the euro dollar. We got it completely wrong on our analysis on Sunday. So we also planned out that around this area, we're going to look for selling opportunities. We did not get that, right? Again, what you see here, I think this is a trap, ladies and gentlemen. If you are already in on this trade, yes, all the best to you. But if you are not yet in, what I can say is that let's wait for 10:30 and let's see if we can get something to bite on, right? Because my take will be there are stop losses here. So let them be taken out first. More or less the same as the euro dollar. I think there's a lot of stop losses here. Think about it. This is a break, retest. A lot of retail traders, they will want to buy here and make a new high, right? It's possible that we might see that happen. But what I'm trying to say is that why don't we be a bit patient for this market to do something like this? Take out the stop losses because a lot of people can commit here maybe. If already, choppers, if you are in a trade, right, already, let us know. If you are trapped in a trade, let us know and let's see how we can assist you with analysis there, right? So why don't we wait for stops to be taken out? Then that's when we can go to the upside. So let's wait for stops to be taken out because my anticipation is that we've got a lot of stops around $1.26, right? So let's go back to $1.26 before we reload back up to $1.27. That's my take on British pound USD. I would also like to know your take on this one. AUDUSD, funny enough, we sold AUDUSD, or our analysis was to sell AUDUSD. So our analysis was like this on Sunday. So we said we need to wait for this to break, retest. There's your buy here, your sell here. You buy it from there. This was last week, right? And we wait to break below this key level at 62 cents. There it is there, right? So we made this on Sunday that at this level look to sell, right? I hope you did. I hope you did. So yesterday when I was looking at this markets, right? So I was thinking, should I take the trade on NASDAQ, WTI, or should I go for AUDUSD? Because if I went for AUDUSD, this was going to be a sell here. ATR times 2. So at this level, this thing was trading at $12 or so, right? I mean, 12 pips or so. So you say ATR times 2, right? So you'll be looking at around 24, 25 pips stop loss. Your TP 1:2. Let's see if you could have smashed your TP. Most definitely. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful setup on WTI. Rejection candle there. ATR times 2 there. You take it to the downside. As easy as that. You could have taken a nice, beautiful sell there on AUDUSD. So I hope you took this one yesterday. I didn't. I only took NASDAQ and WTI yesterday. How can we plan this today? If you are looking for buying opportunities on this, I would say break above. This will be the safest area to look for buying opportunities, right? We want to see if this is a price peak. If this is a price peak formation formed, we need to see if we break above retest, then we can go to the upside. Other than that, this thing can simply make a new low at $61. So I would say let's wait to see if we go above, and then we can take it from there. Let's have a look at NASDAQ, please. So I'm interested to see what NASDAQ is doing. Recap again. Yesterday we took a buy on NASDAQ at this area here, smashed our TP at 20,971. However, we saw this market drop to the downside. Today, my take is we have a key significant area at this point. If you were to ask me, should I continue selling NASDAQ? I don't want to do so. The reason why I don't want to sell NASDAQ is that it's too low for my liking. Currently trading at 20,436. Yes, I'm not even oversold on my RSI, but I'm not even concerned about that. This thing has been dropping, and I think that'll be too dangerous for me to jump on this ship. Right. If I am above this, if I am above my POC, if I'm going to be above this, I'll wait for a correction, then I can go to the upside. So I'm bullish on this thing. Yeah, it can go down. It's still fine. I'll try to see where I can catch it at the low. I'll still try to see where I can catch it at the low. So I'm bullish on NAS 100. German. This was our analysis on Sunday. We said we're going to catch it around 22,500 or so. We go to the upside. My take again today on this is, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to reload on this thing here, I think that will be dangerous. Right? I think that will be too dangerous. Why am I saying that? This is too easy to see. Come on. Break, retest. What do you think is going to happen there? Retail traders come in, want to go to the all-time high again. I think it's too easy to see for my liking. What I'm anticipating on this, right? And again, I might be wrong on this. What I'm anticipating on this is, I think this thing is going to drop today. That's my take. I think German 40 is going to drop today. However, I'm going to be watching it closely because I want to bide on this selling opportunities there. I want to see if I can get something, then go to the downside. In fact, I like this rejection candle there for me to look to go to the downside. That is just my take on this thing. Short-term bearish, mark it down again if you've got your sticky note. Short-term bearish on German 40. Gold. So gold, we wanted it to come at this level. Look to see if we hold. Remember I said mark this price $2,878 an ounce. Then we see if we can go to the downside. So our analysis was here. We will see if we can drop, but obviously there was nothing there for us to buy it, right? There was not really nothing for us to buy it. We are now trading at 2,899. Remember again, COT report, right? COT report, we'll have a look at it again when we put the prompt on ChatGPT, right? We want to see what is happening there. My anticipation is, that's why someone was saying gold will go to $2,600 an ounce, and I refused. I said, I don't think so. I highly doubt. I don't think we can. There's a lot of money around there. So between 2,600, 2,500, we've had people that lost a lot of money. So I don't think gold can go. If we possibly go there, let's reach 30,000 mark first before we can think of going that low, right? See if you have a nice rejection there, then go to the upside. That's gold. That's gold for me. Let's have a look at the heat map. By the way, this is how you get the heat map, right? You just go on Google, you type trading view, then you'll find this option. The first option will be trading view, trade all markets, euro, dollar, chart, heat map. So you click on heat map. It's not complicated. There it's gonna appear, but just make sure that you sign in. And even if it's not a paid thing, you still can access, because a lot of you ask me if only you are on the subscription, you can access the thing. Mine is not even paid. I don't know how long ago I stopped paying this thing, because I don't normally use their service just for analysis, right? So it's nothing to worry about. So even if it's not paid, not everything you have to pay it. I mean, everything that I want here, I get it. So I used to have a subscription on this, and I just stopped, because when I do back testing on my own, like I want to put in some hours, I normally use C-Trader platform, right? And it makes my job simple. So yeah, let's have a look at the heat map this morning. So euro is quite strong, only weak against the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, and the Chinese yuan. But I don't think there's much going on there, man. So I would say this is quite strong for the morning. Yeah. Dollar, I would say it's neutral this morning. AUD weak. So as much as we are looking for, if you are looking for buying opportunities on AUD, just be careful, because it's red against all majors. Let's go back to the charts and have a look at it. Right. As much as we are looking for buying opportunities, remember I said we need to break above retest at 62 cents, right? We can go to the upside. So let's just be careful there, choppers. Don't buy as yet. Why? It's clear that it's weak. So if you buy AUDUSD, what are you then saying? You are actually saying AUD is going to strengthen, but the record shows sentimentally so that it's weak. So you are going to be gambling if you're going to be looking at that, right? So it's quite weak. Let's look at British pound neutral for the morning. NZD also weak. Normally, you know, AUD and NZD, they correlate a lot. So if AUD is weak, it's normally followed by NZD. So it's also weak. Swiss franc is quite strong for the morning, just before London kicks in. Quite interesting. Japanese also strong for the morning there. Yeah. Heat map is quite clear. Heat map is quite clear. So yeah, euro dollar and British pound, there's our analysis there. I don't know, man, but come on, think about it. Don't you think it's too clear to see that many would want to buy there? That's what I'm saying. This thing might sell off to $1.26 and go reload to back to $1.27. That's just my take on this thing. But what I want to take now, maybe during this session, look, it's gone, man. Look at that. I was about to say look for selling opportunities on German. German is moving, guys, almost down by a percentage. Beautiful stuff. So I wanted to see how I can jump on this thing. We have JSMFX in the house. Mohau is asking, how does one join your WhatsApp private group? So it's not a WhatsApp private group, my friend. It's a Telegram private group. So very easy. As you see, this content is sponsored by Okta. So we have partnered with this broker for some time now. And we also want to give back business for sponsoring this and most of our educational content. If you've been following us for some time, you would know that all our content is educational, right? We don't ask brokers to sponsor our lifestyle. We ask brokers to invest in traders. You guys, you've been giving businesses to brokers for some time, and it's high time brokers also give back. And how can they give back? Let them give you content like this. We need live streaming, communities to be together. You guys are paying for signals every month, and most of you, not all of you though, most of you are complaining about you're not getting value for money. You are paying subscriptions in groups. Our groups, there's no payment, right? No subscription, no monthly thing. All we are asking for is support the people that are supporting our content, which is Okta. So the requirement is just for you to use our link, right? And our link is just down on the description. It's down on the description. You get there, you sign up, and you deposit. As easy as that. Minimum deposit is only $25. That's your money, by the way. It's not our money. It's your money. When I put some things on the group, or anyone puts something on the group and you want to take the trade, you might as well do so, right? So Mohau, the private group is on Telegram, and you only access it once you have funded with our partner here, Okta, and you go to go. You can join our team. Right. Please ensure that you use our link, right? Don't use any other link, because we want tomorrow when they review our work, they say, okay, fine, we see that, okay, you had a community that was also supporting us as we were supporting the community, right? But when you use other link, they won't be able to gauge the how well we're doing in the stream, right? So yeah. Is it Beito Network? Morning, President. How do I join the private group? Yes, same way. Just click on the link. If you want a 100% bonus, use this promo code. If you use any other promo code that is not my promo code, you might not have 100% bonus. But my promo code is trade with MJ. Then you get a 100% bonus, right? Henny is asking us to look at Bitcoin. We'll have a look at it just now. We'll have a look at it now. KG is saying, Mr. President, I place a buy order at $1.04 in 1 hour chart and TP $1.05. I'm guessing this is euro dollar. This has to be euro dollar, because euro dollar is the only thing that's trading at $1 against the so we have, is it Utluang Kahisano? Good morning, Mr. President. I joined OctaFX last year and I used your code for 100% bonus. I would like, please give me a WhatsApp, please. Send me a WhatsApp. There's my WhatsApp number there. Kahisano, just send me a text, my friend. I'll add you on the group. Just send me a text. I'll add you on the group. Send me a text on WhatsApp and I'll add you on the group. Minister of US30 says, Mr. President, the platform you use to backtest, you pay for subscription? It's free, absolutely free. It's C Trader, it's free. Mahai is asking us if we look at gold again. Yeah, we'll have a look at it. That German is moving down. Man, imagine if we caught it here. Imagine if we caught it there. Sure. If you would ask me, Mr. President, how did you know it was going to drop? I didn't know, but according to my analysis, is in most cases, right? There's no trader, retail trader that can come and say, I'm 100% sure. I get most of these things wrong. It's all about probability. So what I was looking at is most retail traders, they would want to buy at that point, right? So why do they want to buy? It's clear, right? Because they see break, retest, buy. That's why I'm saying let's also be careful on euro, dollar, and British pound before we pump in those buy orders. Buy at the discount so that stop losses can be taken out at certain areas. Then we can go to the upside. Chobas, can you ensure that you like the stream? Ensure that you like the stream, please. Just like the stream. Bitcoin, by the way, analysis for Sunday. This is what we said on Sunday, that Bitcoin will come at 94,000. Look to sell short term, right? At 94,000, right? And around 85,900, look to buy. Is it ready to buy? Not yet. We will wait for this rejection candle. I think this is going to hold now at this level. Market 82,254. I think this is where we are going to hold on Bitcoin. All right, so 2 trades for the week, 2 wins. Not bad for the week. Not bad for the week at all. Not bad at all. So we're looking for our 3rd trade for the week. We're looking for So Henny, that's my analysis on gold, my friend. I mean on Bitcoin. Wanna see how, because my take is obviously when you see this, what is happening in your mind? We're going to make a new low or we're coming at this low. That's what is happening in the minds of many. So we are not about that. WTI down by 1%. Man, WTI doesn't want to give us an opportunity there to buy. So remember, we are only buying WTI if we are above this level. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's always important to play with your percentages. Guys, this is something that has improved my trading by a serious margin. The percentage is here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to buy WTI, right? Technically, so I see this is finding support maybe at $70 a barrel. If I look at this tells me that, man, you're about to buy something that is so weak, because look at the percentage, down by 1%. Learn to play with this percentage. This is your friend. This is your friend. And for those of you that have a problem of patience, the best advice, and I'm gonna give you an advice, this one, the FSC can come after me, it's fine on this one. The best advice I can give you is join this stream. If you are suffering from patience, join the stream. We will teach you patience here. We can actually be here for 2 hours and not even take one trade. That's how disciplined we are. So that's the power of a community, right? And don't get me wrong, sometimes a community is bad, and I'll tell you why. You can be pressured. Oh, Mr. President took a trade and I'm 5 minutes late, I want to take it, and you find that you lose it, right? Or someone took a trade, you find yourself having unnecessary pressure. All right, so a community has advantages and disadvantages, but one of the advantages I like about a community is that if we are in a community, I mean 94 people are watching this stream, and we are all saying, guys, we are not taking a trade until we see certain price. Like all of us now, we want to buy at $68.43. It's marked down, right? So why would you want to buy and take a trade if 94, 96 people are not doing that? So that's the power sometimes of a community, right? So yeah, let's just practice that patience. So if you are suffering from patience, the best advice is stream with us every time we stream and take the trades that we take. Am I promising you wins all the time? No. But what I can tell you is that we win more than we lose. And when we win, we make sure we win double more than we are willing to lose. Right? Choppers, can you ensure that you like the stream? Please ensure that you like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream. Ntlantla is in the house. Another day to stay disciplined and follow our trading plan. Yeah, that's it, Ntlantla. Yeah, if someone is suffering from fear of missing out or patience, just hang around with us, man. Just be with us and we'll see. And if you are already in a trade, let's say you took a trade on Friday or yesterday, you are trapped, you don't know what to do, let us know in the comment section and we'll see how we can put our heads together and try to see if we can assist you. Minister of US30 is saying, I'm looking for it on Google. I want to backtest it. C trader or C with a C, my friend. C for capitalize. C for car. C for Centurion. C trader. Check it out. It's on Google. I've been using C trader for the past 6 years now to backtest. All right, Utwang is saying I sent you a text. Okay, it's fine. I'll have a look at it, my friend. All right, listen, the numbers are increasing. Dango, Mr. President. Yeah, man, let's grow our community, man. It is good that our community is growing. It is good that our community is growing. By the way, I'm planning to do another video that is going to be controversial again. Just tune in. It's gonna drop on Friday, right? Again, don't attack the messenger, guys. Well, I don't know why people are attacking me. I'm not not working for SARS. I'm not working for SARS. I'm just giving you my 2 cents knowledge on these things that are happening, right? And I'm trying to assist you because I don't want you guys, when you make millions. Some things we don't say them to make you panic, but it is just to prepare your mind, because Most of you here, you are in this game to make a lot of money. So if people are going to be negative and say, but traders don't make money. Okay, what about those who make money? Those who make more than 97,000 per annum. What about them? You guys are here to make serious money, right? So I'm just preparing your mind that when you make that money, you already knew that, oh, Mr. President once spoke about this in our community. I'm ready now. That's what our content is all about. KG is saying, Mr. President, 22,656 is strong resistant. German 30, lots of buys are there. We'll have a look at it now, my friend. Relaxing focus music for self-mastery. Mr. President, and all fellow choppers must be careful not to try for more trade on German. Man, can you see, if you pick up my brain on how I trade, I'm sure you guys have noticed. When I see something, I normally change the chart and I switch off this, right? So I saw that German, we wanted to sell, right? At around this area or here. It's already gone. We missed it, right? But can you see what I do? I normally switch off percentage and I go to another chart. I'm a human being, man. Because I know I might want to jump in and fear of missing out can kick in my system. So I don't want to see it. Rather look at other things. I don't want to see German. Someone was saying gold is going. Yeah, we wanted to buy gold at 2,894. That's buying at the discount. Look for the rejection candle. We didn't catch it again. Guys, it happens sometimes. These trades will go and we are not going to catch them. It's okay. It's okay. If you miss a trade, let's say now we wanted to sell German. Already we missed two trades. We missed German and we missed gold, right? It's okay. What you can console yourself with is that your strategy is working. It's fine. You missed it. You didn't get an opportunity. It's okay. It's okay. Rejection candle at this point, buy it. It's fine. We missed it. We'll look for another one. And we're going to catch it maybe next time, right? Take it like this. Take it like this. Let's say you are having what you call a shop, right? Or you are having a car wash, for example. Look at it this way. It's raining today and customers obviously not going to come in your business. That's how I look at trading sometimes when I miss trade, to avoid the fear of missing out and for myself to blame, myself, or why didn't I come in? I just take it as a normal day at the office or just running a shop. It's raining and customers are not coming. It is okay, man. I missed an opportunity. So many businesses are seasonal. Even our business is seasonal at times. So just accept it. So yeah, we missed gold. It's okay. We'll try to catch it. Brian is in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Brian is saying, wow, I took a sell trade on WTI Izolo. Izolo means yesterday. But it was a demo account and wow, it moves. I'm with you. Yeah, man. Like I said, WTI, I'm telling you, man. WTI is here to change people's lives or destroy them if they don't know what they're doing. But let's be positive. WTI is here to change people's lives. I'm telling you. It moves this thing down by 1% already. We haven't even opened London. This thing is already down by 1%. It moves. It moves. All right, so scrap off German 40. Scrap it off your books at this price. So if you marked 23,000 to sell, scrap it off. We are going to see where we can reload. Another correction maybe at this point, then maybe we can go to the downside. Scrap it off and mark a new price. We are looking at selling at 22,780, 790, somewhere there. That's what we have. By the way, I'm still open for those of you that are running small businesses. You have a small company, you have a small business that you are running, and you want somebody to invest in your company. Hit me up on send me an email, send me a proposal. Let's meet and let me see if I can invest in your business. From last week, I've been taking meetings with the people that wants me to invest in their company, right? But one thing you need to know about me is that I'm traditional like that. If I have a meeting with you, the numbers must make sense. The numbers must make sense. Okay, please ensure that the numbers, I'm going to do a proper valuation on your company. The numbers must just make sense. So we're looking to sell German at 22,830 or so. We are selling this to the downside. By the way, guys, something that I also want to put to our attention. We are having a crypto. For those of you that say, Mr. President, I am interested in trading crypto, but I don't know how to go about it. I've got some good news for you, my friend. I've got some serious good news for you. We are going to be having a crypto webinar on the 10th of March. It's not going to be on my channel. It's going to be on the Octa's channel. Right? So one of the agreement that I have with Octa in our partnership is they've asked me that, MJ, as much as you are having your choppers, you are helping choppers. Yes, we are sponsoring this content for the choppers. We also want you to assist our people that are, Octa has a YouTube channel that has over 1 million subscribers. So they want me to also assist there, right? So I said, it's fine, I can assist. So on the 10th, I'm going to be on their channel and I'm going to be assisting with the analysis. So yeah, someone is saying euro dollar is flying. I can see, my friend. Yeah, let's see if we can come at $1.05 and wait for stop losses to be taken out, maybe possibly at this, and then we can reload back to the upside. So yeah, it's playing out nicely the way we had anticipated. Ensure that you like the stream. Just please ensure that you like the stream. What is making this channel to grow is you people that come here and like every time. So what YouTube does is recommending this to a lot of people. So I appreciate everyone that is liking the stream. All right, KG seems like he's in on euro dollar. Well done, my friend. I'm wishing you the best to hit your TP. Please note that not Thursday. tomorrow night we are meeting at 7 p.m. on the group. I'm going to be doing part 2 of how to trade WTI tomorrow. So ensure that you are there tomorrow. Just ensure that you are there tomorrow. If you are on our private group, just know tomorrow we are meeting at night, 7 p.m. Just want to share something with you quickly. Please allow me. Right, so this is what we're going to be doing on the 10th of March. Right, again, guys, this is a free thing, very much free. Don't need to even stress about a lot. Free stuff, right? So the link is also on the group. I'll also send it to the public group, right? Register today. Make sure that you register, you subscribe. So this is what you're going to be learning: how to diversify your crypto portfolio with crypto CFDs, ways to take advantage of the market with existing crypto knowledge, real world example of strategic growth using CFD. So there are times where you see me get Bitcoin right, and you're asking me something, how did we know? Join me on the 10th of March on Octa's channel, right? So subscribe to you just click here and you are signing up. It's a free event, guys. I know most of you complain about we pay signals, we pay this. There's an opportunity. It's for everyone. It's for everyone. So just ensure that you tune in that day and make sure that you sign up. We've been doing free content ever since January started, guys. We've been just doing free content. We've never even asked for a cent. From MoneyWeb, TV interviews, news interviews, radio interviews, just giving awareness out there. Let's make use of this opportunity while it's still there, right? Like I said, not a lot of brokers wants to ensure that they sponsor people for education. They want to sponsor lifestyle. So here's an opportunity for us to learn. So just ensure that you are tuned in on that day. Just ensure that you tuned in. KG, have you smashed your TP? Please let us know there on the comment section. I think KG is holding his euro-dollar buy. British pound, I think, is doing the same thing. Discount is at $1.26. This is where we're going to find a discount. We are still looking to find this to buy some, to sell somewhere, right? If German comes at this level, we're not gonna sell there, rather sell here, right? Because this is too easy to see. Break reaches, a lot of people again are gonna be selling at that point. So we are obviously going to be very careful there on this thing. Mpumza is saying Euro Japanese looks like it will buy. We'll have a look at it now. Gold is going according to Andy. JSMFX is saying USD Swiss. We'll also have a look at it. He's asking, which is your best prop firm right now? Which one do you recommend? Look, man, I've always said this, that if you want the safest prop firm at this point, and I know there are a lot of speculations and issues about regulations when it comes to this prop firm, but FTMO has proven to be, if not the best. I mean, currently it's holding that on top. So I would say FTMO. What I'm using is Funda Pro. You can also check it out. But yeah, I don't like discussing that on the stream again, because I want to give respect again to the people that have sponsored this thing, because they are normally being seen. I know broker and prop firm, they are not the same, but in the financial world, it's classified as one thing. I don't know why, but because those are two different things. But yeah, I would say Funda Pro and FTMO for me preference. My wife is using FTMO, I'm using Funda Pro, so yeah. Brian is saying, is it it's true, if you miss a trade, don't be sad, wait for another 10, take your time. Yeah, most definitely, my friend. Patience, that's why you need to be on this stream whenever you can, so that you can practice that patience. Minister of US30 said, I found it, Mr. President, with the red logo, but it's difficult for me to use. I can't access. Yeah, C-Trader is not pop and place. It's not like your MT4, MT5 for TradingView. It's a bit complicated, but give yourself time, my friend. Give yourself time, right? If you want to backtest, you go to strategy tester, right? You go there and you look for sample trading. There you can put in the time frame you want to backtest, as well as the pair you want to backtest. Then it will backtest for you and it'll give you real-time results. By the way, for also those of you that are struggling with backtest, use ChatGPT or DeepSeek for backtesting at times, right? I use that with C-Trader. So what I do is I go on ChatGPT and I put a prompt. Can you give me price on this day, right? Or on this month, how was it behaving? Then I take the information that it gives me there, then I put it on C-Trader, then it can start backtesting for me. As easy as that. It's not like back then where you have to go back on your own. AI man is here to simplify things for us. Savage is asking, what is WTI on XM? I don't know, my friend. I don't use that broker, unfortunately. If you want to know about what WTI is on Octa, it's called XAUUSD. I don't know, man. I don't use XM. I don't know. Cages is saying euro dollar is flying. Kinosi says, Mr. President, as you talk about company, can you invest in film making? Yeah, KG, I want to invest in anything, my friend. Anything that is there, I don't mind investing. Whether it's farming, whether it's the only thing I'm not gonna invest in, and I have to put it to you, is construction. If you're in the construction business, I'm not gonna invest there, because I'm having a headache with my own construction business, and I don't want another headache. So it can be filmmaking, can be restaurant, it can be you are having a spatlo shop, a quarter shop, you want to scale in, you want to buy new machines, you want to do advertising. I'm in. Talk to me. Let me see how I can help you, man. BTC is buying, pulling back to 86,121. That's according to JSMFX. Lindan is also, saying you can look at FTMO. I agree with you, sir. Mr. Marshall said, Mr. President, you taught your wife how to trade. That's impressive. Yeah, man. In my house, we are all traders. In my house, if you follow my law, So I'm joking. I'm not that traditional, but yeah, I've been trading with my wife for the longest time. I've been trading with my wife. One thing we do is that we don't discuss our trading. We don't. I just see her do her things. I do my own things. It's good for our marriage. I don't. Yeah, but she's one hell of a trader. She's got this patience. I don't understand where she gets it from. But yeah, she's using FTMO. I'm using Thunder Pro. Even my kids, man, I'm introducing trading to them. They're well aware of what trading is all about. My 3-year-old, when I open the chart, she normally says choppers. She gets it. She understands what this is. So yeah, it's something that I did from when they were still young. Though I'm not gonna force my kids to trade, but I'm just introducing it to them to say, guys, this is how your dad is living. If you wanna carry on with the legacy, you can. If you don't wanna do it, it's fine. I would respect that, but I'm just trying to introduce this to them because, like I said, I grew up in a family where we were never close because my dad was always working, my mom was always working in a shabin. So I don't want that for my kids. So I'm introducing trading to them. If they say, no, man, this candlesticks of yours is heady, you don't want it, it's okay. I would respect that and support them. NK is asking, what trade is everyone on? No trade. KG is on euro dollar buy. We are not. I'm not in any trade. Missed 2 trades already, my friend. I'm looking at selling German. Sure. This rejection candle is looking good, by the way, on German. If you just join us, can you ensure that you like the stream? Please ensure that you like the stream. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Road to 6,000. Let's reach 6,000 subscribers. If we can, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. 6,000 subscribers. Jonathan is asking, are you looking at people to maybe trade under you? So what I'm looking for is a community, Jonathan, not anybody to trade under me, because I am not that rich, to give people funds. But what I want is for people to trade with me, because I'm planning to have an investing firm, fully licensed and regulated, and that's when I'm going to have people to trade. I have already have my top 10 within my Choppers funded group. I have top 10 traders already that I've spoken to for future plans to say, guys, I've seen your work, you are good. There's a portfolio there. Pick and Pay is giving us 20 million to manage for the next 24 months. Let's manage it for them, fully regulated and licensed. That's a hedge fund, right? An investment firm, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm looking into for the future, sir. So what you see in our group is not merely about how to just trade, but our vision is too big. It's not more than just trading, because a lot of you guys are struggling from funding. So I am looking for ways to find solutions to give people funding. I mean, if you are pushing a 20 million portfolio, you can imagine your commission on that. Crazy stuff, man. And you're not even worried about a lot of things. You can just aim for 1%, you're good to go. Your family can eat for days. So yeah, so that's what the Choppers Funded is all about, man. The vision is too big. It's not just about being in a private group. It's not about that. The vision is too big. That's why a lot of choppers that are on the funded group, they can text me anytime and say, Mr. President, I'm struggling in my business. How can you help me? And I give them advice where I can, So the vision is bigger than just looking at the charts. Cops is saying, big fan all the way from Bloemfontein. Thank you so much, Cops. Thank you so much. We appreciate people like you that are following our content. Minister of USD said, I can't wait when I have a wife fully committed. She's going to be taught trading. I feel like trading is a family. Trading as a family will be cool. Yeah, man. All the best with that. All the best with that, man. I'm hoping the best for you and I'm praying for you. Tabang is saying, I'm looking for someone to tutor, mentor me. Any suggestions new to all this, but I want to be in. Send us an email on info@tradewithmj.co.za, or you can text us on 076 350 6942. Our number is just there. Or you can give our office a call at 087 265 9710. Call someone in our office and they can give you the steps in which you can go about that. Preferably, you can click on our link down below and sign up with Okta. Then we add you on our group where we normally give education. It's absolutely free. Absolutely free. Is it Hausen DJ saying Germany is so clean? Yeah, my friend, I'm looking at biting this thing. I'm looking at least a rejection here, like this, or an indecision playing out at this level here. You see, it's rejecting exactly where I want it. I'm looking to see that I'm taking this to the downside. Yeah, I agree with you. Clean, man, and beautiful, by the way. Beautiful setup on German. So we are looking at selling opportunities on this thing. Tron365 say, I'm unemployed since COVID. I need to learn how to make some money. Yeah, man, join our group. And sometimes, guys, if you don't have money to sign up with Okta, like I always say, just click on the link, register. Just register. You'll never know. Sometimes we'll be running competitions to say, those of you that have signed up but don't have funds, you can always win a way to get into our group. For free. So just sign up your name, and it takes you less than 5 minutes than to sign up. And also, Tron, check out our content, right? There's a lot of content that we have here that we talk about being a middleman. I always tell you guys, when I got into my pest control business and penal beating business, I was just a middleman. I was just tired of people asking me, where can I take my car when it's smashed? And I'm always referring people to one guy, and I'm like, this guy is eating alone. No ways, I also have to eat. So that's how I got into the penal beating business. Now RMI registered, we're good to go, man. Trying to scale in that business as well. Pest control business, Same thing. So sometimes certain businesses, they don't need capital. It's all about utilizing resources and information that you have. Some of you can be IBs. Brokers are looking for people to be their IBs. You know, they give you commission when you refer people to sign up with them. You can look into that. That doesn't need nothing. It only needs you to be online and just refer people. That's it. So I feel your pain, Tron. And I think that is the frustration about the video that I took out about SARS. Why these guys, they want to dip their pockets, their hands into our pockets, where else we are facing unemployment. A whole lot of things are happening. I understand your frustration, right? But at the end of the day, it's all about how we also beat the system. And we want to have a trading meetup where I actually had a meeting with my public relations manager yesterday, right? And I was like, look, man, I need you to go out there and get me funding. I want to have a traders meetup where all of us are going to meet, and we are touring 4 cities: Pretoria, Johannesburg, Durban, and Cape Town. And for those of you that cannot attend, we are going to ensure that it's also online. So I said to her, and I made it clear to her that, look, man, get me funding. I want to have a trade meetup where all traders are going to come. I want someone from SARS. I want someone from the South African Reserve Bank. I want someone from the FSCA. Let them explain. And all these questions that everybody has, these guys must answer. So we're going to book a venue where you guys can possibly get some food and some giveaways like t-shirts and whatnot. We come in one room. We are going to bring forth solutions. You're going to ask the taxman, why are you taxing me on capital gain tax or on income tax, right? What is your reason? And I know some of you are saying taxes don't pay tax. I don't want to dive too much on that. But what I can say is they have their own laws and whatnot. I don't know much. I'm just doing research about the taxi industry at this point, right? But those questions and those attacks that people are putting on me, you'll be in a good position to answer that. So yeah, I told my manager, get me funding as soon as possible. Before June, I want to see this happen. We're going to be in one room and we're going to discuss all this. Should I call it nyaga nyaga? Why are you texting us? We want to know that. Okay, fine. MJ Givens Khasi, we are texting you because you are making this much and this is how we generate revenue, and 1, 2, 3 is happening after that. Fine, right? Another person can come in with a question that can be posted to these guys, because my frustration with SARS is that we are now doing their job. And I'm sorry to say this, guys. YouTube can cancel off my stream. I don't really care, but I have to say it because it's in my heart. I feel like we are doing the job that SARS should be doing. I shouldn't be coming on YouTube and telling you guys that you need to pay tax, right? On crypto or on trading in general. SARS must do that. SARS must make seminars, webinars, educating us. You are expecting people to pay tax, but you are not giving them enough education. You are not. I like that. Forex in Bizo. Let's have it. So that's why brokers like Okta they are taking an initiative to take it up their sleeves to say, okay, fine. We will educate people as much as we can. MJ, are you up for this? Can you make research for us about tax and tell the world about it? Tell South Africa about it. So we don't wanna do jobs for SARS. SARS must take it up their sleeves. FSCA as well. They must take it up their sleeves to educate us. You want us to pay tax? Educate us. So you are sitting in your office, you're not doing anything, and you are expecting us to do the education for you. It cannot be like that. So we are definitely going to have the traders meet up and explain to the people why and answer those questions. Enough is enough. Some of you here, you've been trading for 5 years. you didn't even know if you should pay tax or not, right? Because there's not much education about that. And that frustration, believe you me, it's not only on us who are in the financial markets. It's on a lot of people. I feel like they are doing it on purpose so that you accumulate as much as you can, and they say, aha, we got you now. We're going to take your washing machine, your dishwashing machine. We're going to take your car. We're going to freeze this. Because, man, this is so brutal. So there are two penalties that you can face: administrative penalty and understatement penalty. Those are two penalties. You can face a jail term. You can face a prosecution. They can freeze your bank account. That's how brutal they want to be. But they don't want to come and give us the information. So they are sitting. They're not doing anything, and we must do their job. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see if maybe we can have a sponsor for that. And we can see how we can educate you guys as much as we can. Free seminar, and we talk about regulation and the whole regulatory framework in South Africa. I think one needs to sit down and just attend this MBs or whatever you want to call it and learn as much as you can. Karabo is saying, Mr. President, you got a voice for radio. Yeah, maybe I should look into that and be like Dr. Ndlozi, right? Leave this whole trading thing, man, and just go on radio and just talk nonsense the whole day. I'm joking, man, but yeah, thank you. Meryl Bernard is saying, Mr. President, I've registered an account with Okta some years ago, but didn't deposit. I will get a bonus if I find using your promo code. Most definitely. Use this promo code, trade with MJ. Then you will get that 100% bonus when you deposit. By the way, Bernard, make sure that you WhatsApp me just after you made a deposit. Make sure you WhatsApp me so that I can add you on our private group. This German is going, man. I'm trying to see where I can catch it. One can ask, Mr. President, why didn't you sell it there where you said it might drop? The rejection candle is not really good. Maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes maybe, but still not the nicest. We are waiting to see if we can drop back down to $1.04, reload and go back to $1.05. By the way, for those of you that are struggling with stop losses and TPs, let me give you this advice. Take a picture of the chart, right? So let's say, for example, you can take a picture of this chart, right? Get on ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, I want to buy here, right? Go on ChatGPT, right? And upload this picture on ChatGPT and say, where do you think I can put the safest stop loss on this trade? You'll be surprised. That thing is going to suggest a whole lot of stop losses there, depending on how it's going to see and read out all the supports and resistance. For those of you who just joined us, please ensure that you like the stream. No, I don't think gold is ready. Irene is asking if gold is ready for sales. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think this might be impulse correction and then you can continue to the upside. I don't think so. NASDAQ, I'm waiting to be above my POC level and look for buying opportunities from there. So I saw something very, very interesting. So yesterday we all saw the announcement, obviously, right? Was it yesterday or early hours of the morning? Obviously, the tariffs on Canada. We see Canadian dollar traded at 1.45, making it finding resistant around this area here, and we see today Canadian is gaining that strength. My take on this would be Canadian dollar can do something like this. Same as the Mexican peso, because remember the tariffs are on Mexican peso as well as Canada, right? Something I like about China, man. China is not moved by all these things. China is not really moved by all of these things. I'm trying to see where I can jump on this German, man. TMS is saying thanks for 100 streamers here. Well done, and I'm grateful to everyone that is here. All 100 people that are streaming here. Just know that I'm grateful for you, man, for you to be here. I'm trying to see if maybe we can be a community that can change the whole financial industry, right? I had an interview with Business Tech Africa yesterday. You can go on their website and also check it out, right? I'm not sure if it's been released as yet. I was talking about AI, man, how AI is changing the space. But what I'm basically thinking, and this is just my opinion looking at how I'm trading, right? I think we should adopt the hybrid approach or the hybrid system, meaning to say we should give AI a room to do what it has to do, but let's not forget the skill is also important, right? Because AI is machine learning, right? We can depend on the precision, the high frequency and whatnot. But at the end of the day, we need to invest in the skill of trading. We shouldn't allow AI to do everything for us, because we are going to open up a room for a lot of errors when we do that. Hedge funds and managers and money managers have always had this technology for the longest time, man. And we retail traders are only catching up now. Only now we are catching up. Yeah, so beautiful stuff there, TMS. You have 100 people streaming with us. Man, we started with 10 people. If you'd remember how small this stream was, it was just 10 people and sometimes 9 people. But I think we didn't look at the numbers. We just looked at how many people we can help, you know. I think that's what we are all about. We're looking at how many people we can help out of this stream. We are a family, and yeah, we are just there for one another. So I'm going to be looking at euro dollar at the next 15 minutes, right? So I want to look at the pace in which we play around here. If we are still playing around this is impulse, then we can forget about this here. This will do this. I need to look at the pace in which it plays around $1.05. If there's not much strength going down, let's forget about this 786 retracement. We might as well wait to see we can reload maybe around where we are and then go to the upside. Yeah, I agree with you. Let's like the stream, ladies and gentlemen. We have 106 people watching. Only 81 of you have liked the stream. Let's hit the like button to reach 100,000. I mean 100. What do you call 100 people liking this? So yeah, I'm just monitoring this, man. My anticipation is that we might find this thing do something like this and just shoot. But let's have a close look at it. Again, ladies and gentlemen, those that are sending text, that I must add you on the group, right? The requirement is simple, guys. You just click on the link. There's a link there, Octa link. You just click on the link, sign up, make your deposit, and text me. If you want the link, I can send you the link also via WhatsApp. Or you can call our office, they will send you the link. Or email them at info@tradewithmj.co.za. $93 people only like the stream, guys. Let's do it. Let's have 100 people liking the stream, please. We're sitting on 93. Let's get those 100 likes. Let's get those 100 likes. That's a way of showing your appreciation for the stream. By the way, if you're in Cape Town, meet with me next week. I'll be in Cape Town. Let's have a meeting and let's discuss your trading future if you want to. Don't forget to check out Top Trader South Africa tonight at 6 p.m. There's another episode for Industry Chat dropping. Ensure that you are there and you are also subscribing to the channel. Guys, if you like this channel, you must most probably love the Top Trader channel, man. It's just one big family, so ensure that you tune in as well tonight. So yeah, those that are in Cape Town, send me an email or send my office an email or text me. Then make your appointment. Then we can meet in Cape Town on the week of the 15th. Don't forget again, Finance Magnet Africa Summit, the biggest finance and my brain just left me there. Fintech. Finance and fintech summit for the year. Biggest one is in Cape Town again from the 29th and I think 29-30. Ensure that you're there. I'll be one of the speakers for the day. I'll be representing you guys. One thing that you need to know, every time you see me on any platform, you must know that I am there as someone that is representing the choppers. Remember, we want to make t-shirts and takes the profits from the t-shirts and see how we can help fellow choppers that need funding in trading, and then we can donate to them. So yeah, we are just playing around with different ideas and designs for the t-shirts for the Choppers Republic. Lunavi saying SARS should give us Forex pension from the tax they take. If only, my friend. If only they could do so. So we have scrapped selling this at 23,000 and we looked at 22,840 or so. Want to see if we can go there up again and take this thing to the downside. WTI still down by 1%. No trade as yet. We are only going to take buy orders when we are above this level here. So I have my alert there. Once it kicks in, then I'll have a look and we see. I'm just thinking this euro dollar might shoot from here. I'm starting to doubt that we're possibly going to see this retracement at $1.04. I'm starting to doubt if we're going to see that. Starting. We haven't looked at US30, by the way, guys, today. Our analysis on US30, I think we had a consolidation happening there. Again, US30 break above 43,400, then we can go to the upside. As long as we're playing like this, this thing can simply drop. AUDUSD Remember, like I said, if this is a price peak forming, buying above 62 cents will make sense. By the way, guys, our small account is growing, I think it's now sitting at $60 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it took a couple of losses, as you've noticed in the past streams, but yeah, we're still good. We're still good. Remember, tomorrow night, Wednesday, we are meeting at 8 p.m. for how to trade WTI part 2. Part 1 is already out and I've already uploaded. For those that haven't watched it, you can always check it out. The link is in the group. Just make sure that you watch that one before I do part 2 tomorrow night. Please ensure that. Come on, German, I need something to buy it, man. This German is just playing with my feelings and my emotions. I'm looking for something to buy it there. I'm looking for something to buy it there. This said DXY is dropping. Can we use it as a confluence shot to euro dollar? Most definitely. If I'm looking for euro dollar buy, obviously DXY normally does the opposite. So most definitely there, Shivambo. Most definitely. Ditebo Honelsing saying, good day, Mr. Press. First time trading live and I'm monitoring German 30, looking to scale in and sort of see if I'm on the right track in terms of analysis. Loving the stream. Thank you, my friend. I hope you have subscribed and I hope you have liked the stream as well. What Adil is saying is the fourth touch on the resistance level on euro dollar. So definitely retail traders are selling now. I'm assuming euro dollar. Let's have a look at it. That has to be then on 1 hour time frame. Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about. Smart way. Oradile, I can tell the way you think. You are mentored by me. I like the way you think. I like the way you think. Retail traders, where are they? Here, right? Thank you, my friend. I didn't even look at 1 hour time frame. Beautiful setup. I like the way you think. So yeah, let's see where we can buy at the discount. Go a bit low. Then we can go above. Why? Retail traders obviously high chances that they want to sell at this level. So good analysis. Thank you. Thank you, Oradile. Thank you, my friend. Gosh, look at that gold, man. So what is giving me a headache at this point is gold and gold and German is giving me a headache because it's a lot of money there that is on the table. Yeah, gold and German is giving me a headache. Giving me a headache. Oh, this German is playing with my emotions, eh? That's another miss there. It's another miss there at 22,840. Missed it at 23,000, missed it at 22,840. For those of you just joined us, 2 trades for the week already. So yesterday we took a buy on NASDAQ, smash TP. We hit WTI buy as well, smash TP. So yeah, we're looking good for the week. We're looking good. 2 trades, 2 wins. Well done, choppers. So our job now is let's try not to give let's try not to give that money away, right? Let's try not to give that money away. Let's ensure that we don't give that money away. WTI down by 1%, currently trading at $67.24. That gold is just looking at us and it's like, you guys, you wait for nothing. Yeah. These rejection candles are also nice though. Not bad, by the way. Not bad. KG saying British pound USD buy order is about to be activated. Brian is asking, did you guys take the long sell on the DEX? No, KG is the one that is on a trade at the moment. We are not. So not yet. We missed it 2 times, my friend. Can you believe it? So our rejection candles didn't print, hence why we didn't take the sell short positions on German. Poponut Baby Kim Production is saying gold is buying. Yeah, we also missed it, man. It's now trading at $2,900 an ounce. Wanted to see if we can get something at 2,895. Didn't get it. NK is saying, when are you going to end the stream? I hope you are asking this question, my friend, that we don't end it too soon. Not that you say, guys, you've been talking since morning. Can you end it already? I'm just hoping it is the other way around. So, yeah, the stream will end soon, but I just want to go through some things before it ends. And the same British pound USD, people are still selling as well. Yeah, we expected that. We want to reload at $1.26, so we've marked $1.26 there to reload. Shibam was saying technical analysis shows sell on DY, strong sell on W, indicating bearish signals. Just before I go there, I wanna see something there by CTMB. So say 74% of traders are long on euro dollar, average $1.06, and while 26% are short, right? Averaging at $1.03. Surely, you see, Stembi. So my problem with the sentiment is, if I have 74 people buying something, I'm not comfortable being part of the 74%. I don't know if that makes sense, because if you do this, so there's this calculation we normally make: sentiment versus speculative trading, right? Speculators like big numbers coming from the sentimental analysis. So when they see 74% buying, chances are, and it will all depend if it's a long-term approach or a short-term approach, right? But speculative traders, according to the commitment of traders, right, they like it when they have high numbers, like on the euro dollar, high numbers buying. They want to be the opposite. Because you must understand that the market is made out of three people, right? Speculators, which are non-commercial companies. Commercial companies, which makes a small percentage of the market. Then you would find retail traders, which is us. We make, I don't know how much, but it's a small percentage, right? It's a small percentage compared to them. And I'm talking about the volume. So speculative trading, yes, these are companies that are pushing like, for example, and it's just a practical example. Don't come after me and say, President, you say this. I'm just giving you an example. So speculative traders can come in to push like 65% to 70% of the overall amount of money moving in the market, right? These are non-commercial companies. Commercial companies are pushing merely 15%, right? And retail traders, we push maybe 20% or 25% or so. So I always have a problem when sentiment is high, because chances are when sentiment is high, speculators always want to come against that high volume, because that's how they make profit on their side. But if it's short term, Stembi, so if it's just short term, I don't have a problem with it. I don't mind being part of the 74%, like the way I'm looking at the euro dollar at this point. KG is saying safe haven to buy British pound USD is at $1.2781. Lunav is saying why a lot of South Africans don't trade S&P 500. I think they do, my friend. I think it's just a matter of appetite, right? It's just a matter of appetite. I used to, but I stopped. Rose is Kinos is asking, Mr. President, can you explain the RR risk reward ratio? Mr. Butelis hasn't covered that on the beginners classes yet, ne? I'm assuming he hasn't covered that. Simple stuff, man. But let me just assist you, my friend. I'm here for you. Simple stuff. Risk to reward ratio. Look, this will be the best explanation with this thing, right? If, for example, you want to buy British pound USD, your stop loss is $100. Stop loss. Yo, is that a dollar? It's fine. It's my dollar. It's fine. Leave it like that. If your stop loss is $100, if you want to make another $100 on your TP, your risk reward is 100 against 100. Risk reward, RR, 1:1. So you're willing to make the same amount you're willing to lose, which I'm always against, right? Now, if you want to go for a proper risk reward, to always find yourself profitable irregardless of how many times you win and lose trades. If your stop loss is $100, your TP must be, you want to make 2 times of what you're willing to lose. So your TP must be 200. So that's risk reward, my friend. Easiest that. But I think Mr. Butelis is going to cover these things on the beginner class. Give him some time. And you guys have asked that you want the beginner class to be 2 times a week. It's fine. It's going to happen. Just wait for the announcement. So basically, you know, so this is what risk reward is all about. If you want to go 1:3, meaning to say you want to make 3 times what you're willing to lose. Right? How do you know? You can even look at this, man. It says the risk reward ratio. Risk reward ratio 3-1, meaning to say you make 3 times. So that means now instead of making $200, you're gonna make $300. So I hope it makes sense there, my friend. That is what risk reward is all about. And please, guys, there's no beginner question here. If you have any question, it's a baby question, it's a whatever thing. That's why I encourage you guys to get most of this stuff on our group, right? On the Choppers Funded group, because we normally have like beginner classes where you can ask all these questions so that you can learn, you know. So I hope I answered you there. Ross is saying simplicity. That's what I like about your analysis. Thank you, my friend. I try to keep it as simple as possible. You know, I don't want to complicate stuff. I have a lot in my head, so the more I have complicated analysis and whatnot, it's just going to be too much for me. Yeah, we can simply say we couldn't catch German. We can say we didn't catch gold. Gold is now up, almost up by 1%. We can safely say we didn't catch it. It is okay, choppers. It is okay. It happens. It happens. So we need to break retest, play above our POC level, look for buying opportunities, leave it as it is on this. You see this candle here, it's also giving me some idea of what might happen from here. All right, we are on again tomorrow morning. We are streaming in the morning, same time, same place. We are going to be together. 9:30. 9:30 tomorrow morning. We are here again. Don't forget to register for the crypto marathon that will be taking place on the 10th of March. You can also go on my social media page and check it out there and register. All right. All right, choppers, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. I'll be see you in the morning. Man, my brain tends to crash. I don't know, man. I need to review my CPU. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys, in the morning. But I'm still active in the group. In the group, I'm still active. Believe you me, I'm just going to attend few meetings. Then I'm going to be... And what I like is that most of my meetings are virtual today. So I'll be on the trading station and I'll be looking at the charts. I'll send you guys some of the trades that I'll be taking. If you want to take them with me, you're more than welcome to do so. All right. Choppers, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you again in the morning, or I'll see you in the group. God bless, and ensure that you don't forget to pray today, guys. I'll see you very, very soon, which is tomorrow morning. Cheers. Bye.